Welcome to Scottsdale. So it is a beautiful day out here in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona. So we're taking a tour of this gorgeous neighborhood, about to bring you three amazing properties, all remodeled, all move-in ready, all in the Scottsdale Country Club area. So it's a gated community, centrally located out here in Scottsdale. You're close to shopping, dining, all the fun things that make Scottsdale, Scottsdale. In this particular community, it's a golf course community, so you're going to have golf course lots, you're going to have lake lots, views, always something to do, and of course it is gated. So it's one of those properties that if you are only going to live here part-time, it would be a great lock and go. So if you're looking to be a snowbird or part-time homeowner in Arizona, this could be a great option for you. Low maintenance properties, great amenities, close to everything, and easy set it and forget it. So if you haven't done so already, please make sure you like, subscribe, follow my channel, share my page. If you or someone you know is looking to relocate to Arizona or currently live here, want a private tour of this one or another one that you have seen, please comment Scottsdale below, DM me, contact me. We're always here to help. Let's take a walk on through. All right. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So I'm super excited to show you this particular property. It has been redone from head to toe. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom with a den area, open floor plan, amazing backyard. You do get a 2-car garage. There's a spa back here, a heated pool, and one of my favorites is definitely this courtyard. So I'm originally from the East Coast. Anytime there's a courtyard or greenery, it's always a must-see for me. So this right here is in the front of your beautiful home. These are your neighbors. So gorgeous, gorgeous community, well-maintained, super clean. And again, this is a great home. It's a low-maintenance yard, but definitely enough greenery to make it interesting and not so bland and boring. Not your typical desert landscaping, which is nice. And they did some pavers in the front here. And this is your garage. And the silence. Yes, we are out here on a Sunday afternoon and it's just a great area, super quiet. But again, you're next to Kierland and different restaurants and shopping. So it's just a great, great location. All right, so as we walk on through, we are going to see lots of upgrades. It's move-in ready, bright and open. And it's surrounded by multi-million-dollar homes, so not too bad of a location if you ask me. You just have this other courtyard area right here as you enter. And what's really pretty about this one is definitely the front entry and all the windows. So we're going to appreciate these windows right now. This beautiful rounded section right there and a double door entry, which gives it that real ultimate grand feel. And then views. So here we are, and it has beautiful coffered ceilings, gorgeous kitchen, formal dining, built-in fireplace. This one is definitely a showstopper, and the views are to die for. So if you're looking for a home with views, I'm going to tease you a little right now. Bada bing, bada boom. We'll go back out in a minute. So right here we have this really spacious living room. And again, this home is just under 3,200 square feet. And this kitchen is, it's amazing. So you have a butler's pantry. You have double islands, custom lighting throughout. They did this beautiful quartz countertop. And they have this wonderful double oven setup. So again, the home was just remodeled, so everything is newer. Everything is ready for you to call it home. And the space is gorgeous. Your little butler's pantry. that opens right up to your formal dining area. And then we have some great closet space. So you have a pantry right here. And we have a linen closet slash coat closet right there. And as we come back here, this would be that den slash laundry room. So a multi-use room, again with great lighting right out here to your courtyard. You have built-ins, washer and dryer setup. So they thought about it all on this one. And you have this wonderful 2-car garage with the insulated door. They have lots of cabinet space. So if you're not familiar with Arizona, you may not know that basements are very rare out here. So your garage is going to be your storage area. So when you have storage cabinets in the garage, you're going to have more space for things, making it a lot easier. Especially if you're a collector like me, or if you like the holidays and you want to have a place for your Christmas supplies, or maybe pictures, maybe all your kids' artwork and all the fun stuff that we like to collect throughout the year. All right, so as we move on through, taxes on this gorgeous home, you're at about $5,047. And again, it's definitely location. So we're out here in beautiful Scottsdale, and we're right on the golf course. This is the Starfire Golf Course. And the McDowell Mountains is pretty well known out here. We're close by to the Scottsdale Country Club. All the fun things. So before we head outside, we are going to head to the secondary bedrooms. Kind of see what else this home has to offer. Just love that kitchen. So they have 4 stools in there. I'm guaranteeing you could probably fit about 6. Another linen closet. So again, lots of storage areas in this home. And there's your AC, and it's a Train. So if you're curious about air conditioners, Train is one of the best you can buy. All right, and as we enter this way, we are going to go back here first. So you have this beautiful secondary bathroom. Quartz countertops, and they did a great job with a walk-in shower. And we have a first bedroom right here, and again they did tile throughout. It's a very large bedroom. So enough space for a king-size bed, bureaus, sitting area. I would say all of it in this room. It's very large for a secondary bedroom. Nice tall ceilings. They did upgrade all the lighting, which is nice. So this is definitely a move-in ready home. Again, another large bedroom. So they have a little bit more furniture in here, as you can see. And they do have views of that front yard, courtyard. So there's seating areas set up. And we have this wonderful closet space. So a great home. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe, like, share my channel. If you're looking for a home in Scottsdale, Peoria, Tempe, Phoenix, Surprise, Buckeye, basically anywhere close to Phoenix, Arizona within an hour radius, I'm always here to help guide you, taking these amazing videos. I have clients looking everywhere throughout the valley, which makes it wonderful for you. Seeing I'm constantly out here getting them their video tours, helping them choose a home that's going to work for them. And this is very cool. So they used a tile in here that's like leaves, making it very fun. So again, this is another bathroom. So you got 2 bathrooms over here. This one does lead to outside, which is wonderful. I'm assuming if this is for the hot tub in the pool area. So lots of privacy. So yeah, if you walk this way, that's going to be your pool heater, your air conditioners, pool equipment, and bada bing, bada boom. Another teaser. Now we're going to head back in and check out the rest of the home. And that would include the primary bedroom. I'm pretty excited to show you that one. Again, this home has been completely remodeled. This would be your primary bedroom. So it's a very large one, nice tall ceilings. They are coffered, beautiful lighting. And again, this amazing tile is everywhere in the home, giving it a nice finish. And you have views back there of the golf course. So this right here would be your amazing walk-in closet. So lots of room in here to be creative. I'm pretty sure you could fit an island in here. This would be a great closet, a great project to customize. And then as we come back this way, you also have this really cool sitting area, or they have it set up as another desk area. So if you work from home, you have 2 options for an office space, right here or back in that laundry room, which is super cool. This could also be a little fitness room, or if you needed a nursery, it could have multi-uses, which is pretty cool. And of course, you have this very large bedroom. Your views every morning when you wake up. And check out that bathroom next. All right, so you have the soak-in tub, the stand-up shower. Again, they redid everything. Quartz countertops, kitchens, bathrooms. Amazing lighting. They have a lot of natural light in this home. And then of course you have a beautifully done shower. And your private throne. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so last but not least, we're gonna head on out to the backyard to see what we have back there. Again, remember, golf course views, gorgeous community, Scottsdale, Arizona. So nice low maintenance yard. Hot tub, pool, golf course views. Turf, everything that says we're gonna move in and relax. Not a lot of maintenance on this property, and everything's been pretty much done. So if you're looking for a home, for a location, amenities, upgrades, this could definitely be the home for you. Please make sure you reach on out if you have any questions. If you want more info, if you want a private tour, I would love to help. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hope you have an awesome day.